Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review these Minichamps BMW 3.5 CSL Group 5 1976 race car on 1/18 scale. So this is also Paul's model art. Minichamps is made in China, maybe produced in China, but designed in Germany. So it's pretty old diecast, but I haven't opened it yet since I got it. So as you can see, the box has a tear on it, and yeah, it's limited to 1008 pieces worldwide, and for sure this is not numbered. So let's open it. Nothing much inside. So the trunk and the hood is separate from the car itself. This particular race car is number 12, as you can see. And yeah, it's actually nice and very detailed. Where to put these? Let's just put it here for now. So as you can see, it's never been removed from its styrofoam case. This is the first time I'll be removing this since I have it. Oh, the screw is different. So you actually need a screwdriver for these. So yeah, it has been removed from its box. And what can I say? It's a nice model actually, but not my cup of tea. But it was driven by Nielsen. I don't know who that is. And Quester. As you can see on the side livery, the details of this car is nice. Like the engine details is awesome, considering this model is quite old. Yeah, nice engine, Schnitzer. The inside is nice too, with nice chair. Trunk. So this is the trunk. It goes there like that, and the hood goes like this. So yeah, car looks like that. Since this car is quite old, there's some imperfection that is showing now. Like, as you can see, there's the windshield have it's not a crack, it's like a hairline thingy due to aging. Let's take a look underneath. Yeah. Nice. I'm wondering why this tire is like this. It's like bent. Yeah. Nice. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it, but probably has to go because this is not my line of collecting. Not the cars that I collect, but it is nice actually to have some race cars in the collection. But let me see. that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.